Hello students. So in the previous slide we had discussed about the structure of stomata, yes, and we have also discussed about guard cells, okay, what is the function of the guard cell, how it controls the stomata. So in this slide we are going to study about a very important topic, that is vessels or vascular tissue. Let us see what it is. So water and minerals are transported to the leaves by vessels which run like pipes through the root stems and ultimately reach the leaf. Now you know that roots, what does it do? It helps to absorb water. Okay, so the roots will absorb the water and minerals. Okay, so this water and minerals, after the roots have absorbed, where it has to go? It has to go to the leaf, right? So it has to go to the leaf. So how it will go to the leaf? It will go through certain pipe-like structures. Now these pipe-like structures, they are present in the roots, stems and leaves. Okay, everywhere in the plant you have these connections or pipes. Okay, so these connections or pipes are the pathways, you can say, are the roads through which, you know, the water and minerals will go to each and every part of the plant, as well as the food which is made in the leaf, that will also go to each and every part of the plant. Okay, so these are called vessels or vascular tissue. So you will study about it in the coming slides. So now there are two types of vessels. The first vessel, that is called the xylem. Okay, so what does the xylem do? The xylem will help to transport water and minerals from the roots to the leaf. So from the root to the leaf, there will be certain pipes. Those pipes, if I talk in simple terms, there will be certain pipes, and those pipes are called what? Xylem vessels. So what will those pipes do? They will transport the water and minerals from the roots to the leaf. Okay. Now phloem is another set of pipe, but these are different to xylem. So what is the function of the phloem? The function of the phloem is to transport food from the leaves throughout the plant. Okay. So the transport of food from the leaf to the plant is done by another set of pipes. Those are called phloem. P-H-L-O-E-M. Phloem. So this is xylem and this is phloem. Yes. So when you look at the diagram, this is a very simple diagram. I have given a very simple one. So when you see, can you see these pipes here, the brown things? Okay. So these brown things are the pipes. So as you can see, it goes to everywhere. So the section of the leaf is cut here, and you can see if you take this section, so this is the pipe. Okay. That means the pipe, it comes from the root like this, it goes through the stem and it goes to the leaf this way. Can you see? So this one. So here in the midrib of the leaf you have the pipe. So this is the pipe. It is shown in a very broader way. So if you cut this particular section of the leaf, this is the pipe. Okay. So what will the xylem do? Xylem will be the pipe that you have from the roots. Okay, and it will go to the leaf. It will carry what? It will carry water and minerals. So it will go to this leaf, it will go to this leaf, any other leaf which is present in the plant. These are the small leaves, so it will go here also, right? So these are the xylem vessels. Now phloem vessels, it will start from the leaf here. Okay, it will start from the leaf, and where it will go? It will go to the roots, it will go to the stem, it will go to the other leaf. So everywhere it will go. So what will the phloem do? Whatever food is made in the leaf, this food will go to each and every part of the plant with the help of phloem. Okay. So now, so this I think you understood. So this is the cross section of this part. That means this part is cut. Okay, this small part you can see a slit is here. So this part is cut and this is shown here. Okay, so these are the different pipe-like structures. Okay, so you can see there are two pipes here. One pipe goes this way, one pipe goes this way. So when you cut it, if you see in a round structure, so these are the pipes. Okay, so it will carry water and minerals. Okay. So epidermis is, you will study all this later in biology. So epidermis is what? It is the tissue which is present in the outer part of the stem. Okay. After epidermis you have the ground tissue which is present in the inner part of the stem, and ultimately you have vascular tissue which is present at the core. That means the innermost part. So vascular tissue is the brown portion, you can say. Epidermis is the border. Okay, the border of the stem. Then after the border you can see these green parts. Okay. So after the border you can see these green parts, these are the ground tissue. That means after epidermis comes the ground tissue, and then you can see the brown part. So this brown part is the pipe or the vascular tissue. Okay, these are of two types, xylem and phloem, as I already told you. So we'll study about the rest of the things in the coming slides. Thank you.